Ever wished you could run two Snapchat accounts on the same phone? Maybe one for friends, another for work, a side hustle? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can do that using Parallel Space, one of the most popular app cloning tools out there. Let's get right into it. First off, what is Parallel Space? It's a free app that lets you clone and run multiple instances of just about any app, including Snapchat, on a single device. No more constantly logging in and out or carrying two phones. Here's how it works. Step 1. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Parallel Space. Download and install it. Once it's on your device, open the app. You'll see a super simple interface. No tech skills required. Step 2. Tap the Add App or plus icon. Scroll through your list of installed apps and select Snapchat. Parallel Space will create a separate, cloned version of Snapchat right inside its own space. This cloned app is totally independent, meaning you can log in with a different account and keep everything separate. Step 3. Open the cloned Snapchat login with your second account and you're good to go. You can now switch between your main Snapchat and the cloned one with just a tap. Parallel Space supports most popular apps. You can do this for WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more. If you're big on privacy, Parallel Space offers features like app hiding security locks to keep your cloned accounts extra secure. Quick heads up, the free version of Parallel Space has ads and some limits on how many apps you can clone. If you need more, check out the Pro version. It's ad-free and unlocks unlimited dual app spaces. Prices are pretty reasonable. Pick weekly, pick monthly, pick yearly. A word of caution: some apps, including Snapchat, don't officially support cloning and may restrict or flag cloned accounts. Always use these tools responsibly and at your own risk. If you ever get locked out or need help recovering your Snapchat or any other account, don't stress. My professional recovery team is here to help. Check the video description or pinned comment for details on how to reach us. Send us a message for professional assistance with account recovery. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to run multiple Snapchat accounts on one device. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Contact info in the description and pinned comment. Now that you know how to clone your own Snapchat for legit reasons, let's talk about the darker side. How hackers can break into and clone Snapchat accounts. Understanding these tricks can help you spot red flags and keep your accounts safe. Here are 3 of the most common methods. First up, phishing scams. Hackers often send fake emails or fake messages that look like they're from Snapchat, asking you to log in or verify your account. The link leads to a fake login page. Once you enter credentials, they have access. Next, device cloning. If someone gets physical access to your phone, they can use special software to copy your device's data app logins, saved passwords. This lets them replicate your Snapchat on another device without you knowing. Third, weak passwords. Simple or reused passwords are easy to guess or crack with brute force tools. Once they get in, they can change your recovery info and lock you out. So, how do you protect yourself? Always check links before clicking, use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Stay alert, stay secure. Don't let hackers get the upper hand. For more tips, check out the links in the description.